Tell me, where did you sleep last night? Come on and tell me something about it.
Felt like it's a race. Fell down into Babylon and fell flat on my face. Her wine trailed her behind and it fell out of the case. Left a sour taste. I know it made her glad, but it just made me mad. I got off at the 6 and transferred to the J, with scarlet clothes from the king and rose gold on my chain. It's 10 a.m. left Babylon and everything is okay. All I can do is pray that she behaves when I'm away. Man, I've had homies die, from Alda to the Hyde, from Quaker Oats and Cheerios, American to the pie. Thumbs up in the air, I'm hitchhiking a ride. They drove me out of Babylon, I'm snoring in Bed-Stuy. She looked me in the eye, I took a look inside, and I woke up in Revelation 17 to the 5. So I get on the E and transfer to the B. Late afternoon, left Babylon, now stuck in NYC. I had to cross the sea and leave the island blues. The ferry left at 3 to Staten on a cruise. I might make it 2 Dobbs before the night is through, but Montreal called me, so in the air I flew. We almost fell at Pindar, must be that Merlot wine. We're stepping on new fields, that vineyard to the vines. If Babylon needs me, I won't give her a sign, 'cause I'll be eating grapes and resting in the pines.